Okay, folks, Bob here at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. We got ourselves a Cobra. Let's see if she's the real deal or a kit car. 427. Yeah, I'm gonna say this is a kit car. It's got too many aftermarket parts on it. AC Cobra 1965. Oh man, look at their side plates. I know something. Can you guys see that? Shifter is funky, man. I don't know about that.
Take the tubes out of it before I transport it. Make sure they stay safe.
Yeah, I mean you can find them, but you're gonna pay a fortune.
Yeah, well he's got a crate full of
Look at the gas cap, little flip top gas cap.
Had a good bathroom. So I said, I'm going to see if Got
a pair of, I guess these are street racing tires there. Got tread on them. You know this thing's a blast to drive. Good Lord. That's what I need to do to my cars for the fuel leaks. put it in a tub. I can collect the fuel, put it back in the fuel cell. Yeah, those tires got a lot of tread on them. They got that Goodyear Eagle. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Alright folks, let's move on to the next one. I'm getting low on battery here too. Real low. Yeah.